Hi, I'm Coach Una from Anatomy CrossFit. As we told you in previous video, we will learn about foam rolling and using other tools for myofascial release. Muscles respond to overuse by increasing their density. Foam rolling helps recovery by decreasing the density of the muscle and softening the connective tissue. The term myofascial release can be described as muscle, myo, and connective tissue, fascia, stretching. By applying pressure and rolling the muscle and tissue out, we are stretching, getting rid of knots, and lengthening them. We always recommend starting from the bottom and rise to the top. So let's start with the calves. Regularly rolling out the fascia on the bottom of your foot is going to produce healthy feet and ankle. Mobile ankle and feet will definitely help your squat. Take two lacrosse balls together and lay on top of them. It should be positioned right in the middle of your T-spine or upper back. Perform some crunches on it and allow the lacrosse ball to dig into your spinal erectors. We showed you those stretching with foam roller and lacrosse ball, but be creative. You can use a barbell instead of foam roller, and you can use a softball instead of lacrosse ball. Anything that gives you same stretching but different intensity, use it if you want to use it. Picking and choosing it based on your personal needs.
If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share.
이 영상이 마음에 드셨으면 좋아요와 공유하기를 눌러주세요.
And don't forget to subscribe.
구독하기도 잊지 마시고요.